Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Take a look what the National Hurricane Center is looking at, and there is a disturbance out here in the North Atlantic. They are watching, giving a medium chance of development, but it's not a problem for us here in Flagler County. So let's take a look at the weather closer to home. Southwest wind flow has been with us since the weekend. It's going to stay with us at least until the middle part of the week. So that means that showers and storms will develop along the Gulf Coast and press inland from the Gulf during the day, and then in the afternoon and evenings they'll be pushing towards the East Coast, giving Flagler County a pretty good chance of showers and storms each afternoon, at least until the middle part of the week. But then we're going to see some drier air and a pattern change, and that's going to decrease the storm chances as we go into Thursday and Friday, maybe the first part of the weekend before the rain chances come back. And just a reminder, as we saw the last couple days, that these storms will carry the risk of squally winds, dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning, torrential downpours, and maybe even some small hail. So let's take a look at some details now. Mornings are going to start off largely sunny with patchy cloud, and as we go into the afternoon, expect scattered to numerous showers and storms. The trend would be for the storms to be moving to the northeast, but some storms might move more east, some might move more to the north and more to the south. It could be a little erratic, but the general trend would be the storms moving towards the coast. Just a slightly better chance of seeing them west of Bunnell. You might see more storms and more rain west of Bunnell, and a little bit more scattered as you go towards the beaches, but pretty much a decent chance for all areas of Flagler County to see a storm through Wednesday. Sun and cloud in the morning, storms likely in the afternoon and evenings, and some of them might be strong. High temperatures near 90, low temperatures in the mid 70s at night. Of course, it'll be a little cooler at the beaches during the daytime, a little warmer right along the beach at night. Now, as we go into the middle part of the week, two things happen. The winds begin to relax. It's going to allow the Gulf Coast sea breeze and the Atlantic Coast sea breeze to take shape, and that'll focus scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms to develop mainly in the middle part of the state, and that'll keep that activity generally west of Flagler County. You could see one or two on the west side of the county, but overall keeping the storms to the west of us as we go towards the end of the week. Plus, that drier air will make storms more hit or miss. It's going to be a nice sea breeze along the East Coast, though. But Thursday through Friday, patchy cloudy, outside chance of a PM storm. Those will be very hit or miss. Best chances if you live west of Bunnell, out there towards Andalusia and places like that. And the beaches, Palm Coast, and Bunnell probably staying dry. High temperatures in the 90s, lows in the 70s. Now, as we go towards the weekend, that southwest wind flow reestablishes itself, and that'll push the storms back towards the East Coast. Though they'll be a little bit more scattered, a little bit more hit or miss. So as the weekend approaches, right now we're looking for an increasing chance of showers and storms, a little bit better chance on Saturday, and even a little bit more chance on Sunday. Again, chiefly in the afternoons, high temperatures in the 90s, lows in the 70s. As we get into early next week, pretty decent chance of afternoon and evening storms as that southwest wind flow reestablishes itself, gets the moisture back in the area. Highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s. At the beaches, surf 2 feet, surf temperature 79 degrees. There's a low risk of rip currents out there, but the UV index is extreme. Make sure you got your sunblock going on. So weather's always changing. Go to our website, flaglercounty.org. Hover your mouse over webcams and weather. Get the latest from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there so you get notified of any of the severe storms should they develop. If you have a weather alert radio, that's another great resource for staying up on the weather here in Flagler County. Not only the local weather and warnings, but you can also see what's going on with the tropics. You can also go to hurricanes.gov to get the latest from the National Hurricane Center. That's going to wrap it up from the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.